What's going on, guys? JSGC here, and we are here for another video. Today we're going to be doing another Manchester City Etihad Stadium, Etihad Campus and Co-op Arena construction update. Before I do crack on with this video, make sure, like always, if you are enjoying the content, then please do leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Do go and check out my social media links. You can find them in the description. Also, don't forget as well to subscribe. So, we went and did our first part right at the end of November. So, this is our second part of the construction update, which we're doing right at the very end of December. So, it'll be interesting to see in the roughly the month or so that we've not done any filming to see what progress has been made. So, we're going to get the drone up and see what is different. there we go. That has been the construction update for today. Construction update number 2 here at the Etihad Stadium and the Etihad Campus. Looks like a fair bit of progress being made on the Co-op Arena. That's scheduled to be completed in April of 2024. So all focus does look like it is on the arena right now. Doesn't look like there's too much progress being made when it comes to the Metrolink at Manchester City and also the outside areas where you're going to get your new fan zone with all the new bars, food outlets, the new museum and the hotel on the stadium, and doesn't look like there's any progress being made on the stadium as of yet. I suspect that may happen in the off season, and once that Co-op Arena is sorted is when I think you'll start to see some serious progress being made on the outside of the Etihad Stadium and also on the inside as well. But of course we'll be back again pretty soon to do another construction update for you guys, construction update number 3. So don't forget to stick around, do subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Social media links there in the description if you want to go and check out my Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. Email also in the description too if you want to hit me up for any sponsorships for any videos or any general business inquiries. Do leave a thumbs up and do leave your thoughts in the comments below. So I've been JSGC. Thank you everyone for watching. Do hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.